Hi guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Christy and thank you guys so much for coming back. Thank you so much. Hey guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Christy and today's look is a glam makeup look for back to school, since it is back to school season. And this look is for all you girls that want to look poppin' on that first day, you know, be like, yes, I'm back bitches, I know you missed me. And without further ado, let's get on to the video. So to start off, I already did my eyebrows off camera, and now I'm just going to be going in with the Physicians Formula Rose All Day Serum. So I'll be taking a few dots of this and applying it all over. And this is a really good serum to use as a primer because it does tighten and brighten skin for a radiant glow while also leaving your skin slightly tacky, which is exactly what you need when you're applying foundation. Now jumping into foundation, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation, which is a great foundation when you're going to be using it every day. It's supposed to better your skin. So unlike other foundation, it actually makes your skin better instead of worse over time. So I'm going to be taking a few pumps of that on the back of my hand and then just grabbing my Morphe sponge. I'll be going in with that. So this foundation is very medium coverage, so to guarantee the most use out of this product, I'll just be going in with a few more pumps and going in with the second layer foundation. Next up for concealer, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in C12. And this concealer is great because it really does compare to the Tarte Shape Tape. And to brighten up the center of the face, I'll be going in with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in Light Pale. Now to set that concealer down, I'll be going in with the Maybelline Loose Powder in shade 10. And I'll be applying that with my Morphe sponge in all the places where I applied concealer. Now I'll be using that same powder on a fluffy brush and just setting the rest of my face. Next up is bronzer, and I'm going into the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula, and this bronzer is freaking amazing because it's so buttery, it's so smooth and glides on to your skin. And I'm going to be taking that bronzer on a dense little bronzer brush. So I'll be taking this e.l.f. eye defining brush and I'll be dipping into the butter bronzer to contour up my nose. Now taking that same Maybelline powder as before, I'll be dipping into that with my Morphe sponge and I'll be carving out my cheek contour. Now I'm just taking a normal little brush and I'm brushing all that away. Next I'm going into the Ulta Beauty Peach Pop blush palette and I'll be dipping into the shade Terracotta using a little Tarte brush. Now I'll be taking my Mario Badescu Rose Water Facial Spray and I'll be spraying that all over my face to make sure all the powders melt together into my face. And I'll be going into the eyes and I'll be using the Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe. So first I'm dipping into this third shade right here called Silk Cream. I'll be dipping into that with this Morphe M441 brush. I'm placing this color all over the eyelid to act as our transition shade. Next, I'll be dipping into this brown shade right here called Mocha, and I'll be packing that onto the outer corner of my eye using this little dual-ended packing brush. Make sure to keep that color only on the outer third of the eye, and then just packing and blending with that same dual brush until you're satisfied with the result. Next, I'll be dipping into that shade in Light, and I'll be taking that on a clean packing brush. But before dipping into that shade, I will be spraying it with some of that Mario Badescu spray in order to get a brighter effect. Now I'm packing this color on the inner half of my crease rather messily to get a very blown out effect. Now I'll be layering the shade Queen on top of that other shade. After all that is laid down, I'll be going back into Silk Cream on that M441 brush. And I'll be further blending out those two shadows so they blend nicely. Now for the lower lash line, I'll be dipping into Mocha once again. And I'll be dipping into Silk Cream to blend that out. Now I'll just be tightlining the top of my eye with the Physicians Formula Sexy Booster in black. Now I'll be taking the NYX Wonder Pencil in the shade Medium, and I'll be tightlining around the bottom of my lash line in order to make it look like you're more awake and more energized, and it looks like you've had a good night's sleep. So for mascara, it's always a good idea to have some waterproof mascara on because honestly you never know what's going to happen throughout the school day. So today I'm using the Maybelline Total Temptation Waterproof Mascara. So you can leave the eyes just as they are right now with just mascara and you'll look freaking amazing. But if you do want to go the extra mile and look extra, you can pop on some falsies, which is what I'm about to do right now. I'm back and I popped on some Kiss lashes in the style Shy. They're very natural, appropriate for school. You won't scare anyone off on the first day. So for highlight, I'm going into the Jaclyn Hill palette once again. I'll be dipping into the shade Beam right here, and I'll be applying that on all the high points of my face. So first off, I'm dipping into that shade with this little brush, and I'm spritzing it with some of my Mario Badescu. For lips, I'm keeping it very neutral and I'm going in with the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Abu Dhabi. And now, just to add a little bit more plumpness to the lips, I'm going in with my Ulta Beauty Juice Infused Lip Oil, and this is something I always carry in my backpack. And that was it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this glam makeup look for back to school, then make sure to give me a big thumbs up, subscribe down below. Don't forget to turn that notification bell on to get notified every time I upload, and stay tuned for more upcoming videos.